Welcome once again to Edis Online Maths. Now, in this video, we have the cube root of x plus 2 multiplied by the sixth root of x plus 2 all raised to the power of 5 to be equal to 128. We're asked to find the value of x. Now, this is very simple. Before we go into the solution to this problem, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video for more math content like this. Now, here's the solution to this problem. Now, for clarity's sake, I will divide the board. Now, what we have is the cube root of x plus 2. Cube root of x plus 2 multiplied by the sixth root of x plus 2. All of this is raised to the power of 5 to be equal to 128. Cube root of x plus 2 multiplied by the sixth root of x plus 2 raised to the power of 5 to be equal to 128. Now we can tackle this problem by the use of the laws of indices. That means we are going to apply the laws of indices to solve this, and you will see how simple it is. Now, if you have, for example, if you have the square root of b, this is the same thing as b raised to the power of 1 or 2, or b raised to the power of half. If you have the cube root of b, this is the same thing as b raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now, if you still have the sixth root of b raised to the power of, let's say, 2, this is the same thing as b raised to the power of 6 all over what? 2. Sorry, this is b raised to the power of 2 all over 6. We have the sixth root of b raised to the power of 2, the same thing as b raised to the power of 2 over 6. That means the exponent here will always stand as the numerator, while the nth root will always stand as the denominator while evaluating this. Now, this rule is known as the rule of fractional index, or the law of fractional index. That's if you want to go and understand what is going on at this point. Now, this expressing x plus 2 in this format, if we are going to bring it out, I'm going to put it like this. So this will give us x plus 2 raised to the power of 1 over 3. Since we are dealing with cube root, multiplied by x plus 2. Now we have 5 here, so this will be what? 5 over 6 to be equal to 128. Now this is something as what? X plus 2 raised to the power of 1 over 3 multiplied by x plus 2 raised to the power of 5 over 6 to be equal to. Now let's express 128 in index form. This is the same thing as what? 2 raised to the power of what? 7. That's we are going to multiply 2's in 7 places to give us 128. So the index form of 128 is 2 raised to the power of 7. Now let's observe something again. We have x plus 2, we have x plus 2. That means we have same base or base that are alike. Now, by rule of indices, we know that if we have a raised to the power of b multiplied by a raised to the power of c, this is the same thing as a power b plus c. What does this mean? This means that if you have the same base or if you have equal base, you are free to pick one of the base and add the exponent or the powers. That means if you have equal base, I can pick one of the base and add the exponent or the powers. So this will be the same thing as x plus 2, since I have the same base, raised to the power of 1 over 3 plus 5 over 6. This will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 7. Hope you guys see. Now, let's still go forward to see how far we'll go. Now, this will be the same thing as, since we have the same base, we can add these fractions. So if you have 1 over 3 plus 5 over 6, how are we going to evaluate this? Now, you can see that 3, the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So 6 will divide 3 2 times 1 will be 2, plus 6 will divide 6 1 time. 1 times 5 will be 5. all over the dot 7 which is 6. So 2 plus 5 will be 7 over 6. That means everything up here, all the exponent is equal to what? 7 over 6. Now, proceeding further, we are going to have x plus 2 raised to the power. When we add this, we are going to have 7 over 6 to be equal to what? 2 raised to the power of 7. Now let's look at a way to clear out this exponent. So if I multiply both sides by 7, or if I let me say if I multiply both sides by 6, I can clear this denominator here out. So if I multiply both sides by 6, let's say multiply both sides by 6. So this will give us, if I multiply here by 6, I'm going to still multiply here by 6 because anything you do on the left hand side, you always do it on the right hand side. So 7 times 6 will give us what? 42. So our x plus 2 raised to the power of 7 times 6 will be 42 divided by what? 6 to be equal to 2 raised to the power of 7 times 6 here will be what? 42. Now this is the same thing as x plus 2 raised to the power 42 divided by 6 will give us what? 7. So this will be equal to 2 raised to the power of what? 42. Now let's multiply both sides by 1 over 7 so that I can clear out this power here, this exponent. If I multiply both sides by 1 over 7, I'll still multiply here by what? 1 over 7. So 7, we cancel out 7 now. We just have x plus 2 raised to the power of 1 to be equal to 42 times 1 will be 42. 42 divided by 7 will be 6. So that will give us 2 raised to the power of what? 6. Since here is power 1, that means I can just express the bracket out. So I will have x plus 2 to be equal to 2 raised to the power of 6 means 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16, times 2, 64, times 2. So I can express this out to be what? 64. 2 raised to the power of 6 will be 64. Now our x will be equal to what? 64 minus 2. That means I'll subtract 2 from both sides. So this will imply that our x will be equal to what? 62. So the value of x that will satisfy the whole of this equation is simply 62. And if you find this video interesting, do not hesitate. Make sure you like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and share. See you in my next class. Bye.